Our school is in an arid and semi-arid region where water is scarce. We started a project to conserve water for the dry season and reduce waste through creative recycling. This tank was damaged and it was thrown in the field. So we took it, we recycled it to avoid plastic waste and put it into good use of conserving environment. As you can see, these are old gutters that we were about to use, and we just used this one to fetch to harvest rainwater. We can't use it because it's damaged. So we used these ones. These ones, they are slightly damaged. This is our harvesting point, and when the rains come, it pours heavily and then it comes out from there and then goes into the tank. With tank, you can use more gutters and so that you can harvest more rain. This is our outlet, and the pipe goes underground, and it goes and goes and goes and goes up to here. This is where the tap is. So when the rain comes, we just come and open here and the water comes out. Let me show you what my colleagues are doing. Come with me. He's making a model of our school. They have recycled waste materials to make this creative art. You can see we improvised a ball like this one, and you can put it here. Most children in school, they use these balls to play because they are easy to make. Yes. And they are not expensive. These are ropes. We use them for skipping. Instead of buying ropes, we just took old wasted carrier bags and made these ropes. And these ones are making cars out of boxes instead of buying. As you can see here, there is a lot of teamwork and collaboration. Let us work together in fighting climate change. It is a few weeks since we repaired the tank, and as you can see, it's full now. This water will help us during the dry season. Even the seeds we planted have now sprouted. My name is Cynthia from Kivandini Comprehensive School. Thank you.